Hi, good afternoon, good evening, good day. My name is Seun Shobo, and of course, I'm the team lead here at the Voiceover Academy, and of course, one of the facilitators today. Yes, today I taught them on vocal awareness. In fact, today I wasn't supposed to lecture, but the truth is, you always get prepared. You always have to be prepared in this industry. You just have to be prepared, especially when you're a teacher, every single time. And I taught vocal awareness today, and obviously it was a wonderful class. From the feedback we've gotten, we had a great time. And of course, Femi talked about DIY and podcasting 101. The participants, amazing, very little class, but amazing set of people who were very inquisitive, asking questions about every single thing, and they wanted to be clear about a lot of things. And of course, I can see a lot of potential in them. I see a lot of potential. Some of them were very shy today. It was like I was troubling their lives. But of course, I'm so sure that as the days go by, and of course by the 5 weeks, at the end of the 5-week course, it's going to be wonderful results. We're going to have wonderful results. And of course, we're going to produce, of course, the next set of voice stars, So look out for them, look out for all of them. Esther, Ajibola, Oladipo, Temitope, Oladende, and of course, Enalojo, right? So I was able to get all their names. But yeah, look out for them on the 5th week.